Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Gabrielle Tunel. If you're new here, where we talk about all things beauty while going skin deep, I want to show you guys this mask that I just recently purchased and tried, and I cannot tell you how amazing it is. These are my results. I'm going to walk you guys through it. I'm going to walk you guys how I apply it, how much I use, how I feel when I'm doing it, the smell, this and that. I'm going to just walk you guys through all of it. So make sure to watch until the end of this video just so that you guys can see my full reaction. I personally struggle when trying to find a hair mask. I don't know why, but it's always so hard to find a hair mask that works with my curls. I don't know, for whatever reason, I just struggle when finding a curl mask. So when it comes to this hair mask that I use by Mielle Organics, this is the rice water clay mask that I honestly had no idea even existed until I went to Target yesterday. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it, but before I do that, if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe so you guys can see more videos like this one about curly hair, about curl products, curl methods. Hit that bell notification button just so that you receive all the notos on new videos, okay? So without further ado, let's get to it. Guys, my hair is freshly washed. This is it without any products or anything. If you guys hear dripping, that's because I literally just hopped out of the shower and the water is draining. If you have curly hair, you know the struggle. So I am going to start applying this mask into my hair. It literally looks like my hair is dry right now, but that's just high porosity hair for you. This is the very first time I'm using this mask. I am excited to try it because I do like Mielle products, as you guys already know if you're familiar here. Smell test. Smells good. I'm going to use just the minimal amount because you guys see this tiny little product. This was $10. Mielle, if you're watching this, maybe a bigger package, I don't know. So I'm gonna take a minimal amount to start. I already have a lot of hair. You guys know that I like to be generous with my products, but I'm going to start with this much, and I'm gonna start at my ends for this. I am going to smooth that into my hair. My hair is poofing up by the second. What I did was that I did not apply this on dirty hair. I don't know if that's wrong of me or not, I don't know, but like I just feel like to get the best out of a mask, I want to apply it onto clean hair and not on hair that has a ton of product buildup from my last wash and also a bunch of oils that I used throughout the week. So I wanted to apply on a clean base. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. My hair is freshly washed, no conditioner, no product, no nothing. And I'm just going ahead and applying this mask all throughout my hair. Chilling for like 15-20 minutes. So my hair is fully washed out from the mask. I applied my product fully. My shirt is drenched, as you guys can see from the back. This is what it looks like. My hair is so long. I am going to do what you guys already know I do best, and that is twists. I'm gonna put my hair into loose twists. That way it'll be out of my face as it's drying, and also so that my hair isn't so weighed down from the length. I'm gonna show you guys what my results look like once I'm dry. Okay guys, so it is now the next day. These are my results. I'm gonna take it out now. My hair feels really soft. I feel like I have a lot of shine, like more shine than I normally have. My hair smells, ooh, so good. Super, super defined. It looks really good. So this shine is like super amazing. My hair is not normally this shiny. So I think that this mask really does what it says it's supposed to do. Usually I wouldn't see too much of a difference, but I think this for sure did something to my hair. So I'm now gonna fluff my hair with my Infinity Pro Conair blow dryer that I reviewed in my last video, so make sure to check that out if you have not checked it out already. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Guys, so these are my results. I am loving the results. I can't tell you how soft my hair is. This stuff really did the job when it came to replenishing the hydration that this winter weather has taken away from my hair. I feel like my hair is lighter, a little bouncier. I definitely don't feel like my hair is too heavy or sticky or anything like that. My hair feels really soft to the touch, and it doesn't really have that tacky feeling that a lot of masks and curly hair products can leave on hair. Mielle is not paying me to make this video or say these things. I just generally do love their products and what they do for my curl type, my high porosity hair, which stinks sometimes when it comes to finding products, but their products just, for some reason, they just have awesome slip. They just give me so much hydration, and this mask did not fail. I got this from Target for around like $9, $10, something like that, so it's not expensive. My only thing is if I wish it was bigger, but I get it, you know, like sometimes good things just have to come in small sizes. Definitely recommend this if you have hair type like mine, or maybe you're looking to try a hair product, a hair mask that will give you hydration, especially now as we're transitioning from winter weather to spring weather. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this Mielle rice water mask. Maybe you know of any other mask that really helps your curls. Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching this little video, and I will see all you lovely people in the next video.